What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to wrap text around images in Microsoft Word, enhancing the layout of your documents to make them more visually appealing and professional. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Here, click on Pictures and select the image you want to include in your document. Once the image is inserted, you might find that it's too large for your needs. To adjust its size, click on the image to select it, and then use the sizing handles around the image to resize it to your desired dimensions. With the image selected, you'll notice a Layout Options button appear at the top right corner of the image. If you don't see it immediately, you can also access this feature from the Picture Format tab, located in the Arrange group. Click on Wrap Text, and a menu will appear with various text wrapping options. For this tutorial, choose Square. This setting allows your text to wrap around the image neatly, adjusting automatically as you move the image within your document. For a more polished look, you can move the image to a specific position, like the top right corner of a page. Notice how the text adjusts to wrap around the image. To enhance the professional appearance of your text layout, select the text and apply the Justify alignment. This aligns your text evenly along both the left and right margins, providing a clean line next to the borders of the image. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively wrap text around images in Word, making your documents more engaging and well organized. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.